See, till now we have discussed how to write the store procedure and how to execute that store procedure and how to have input parameters and output parameters, return statement, all those things. So in real time, these output parameters and return statement will not be used in many of the cases. So earlier days we used to write output parameters, return statements, but nowadays, how do you write the store procedure for inserting? How do you write the store procedure for updating and deleting? We will discuss one by one. Okay, first of all, how do you write the store procedure for inserting the data into table? Okay, for our convenient purpose, I will take one table like these are the tables exist. I will take some student table which will not exist. Okay, and student number integer, student name varchar of 50 and age, it is integer. Okay, so the table is created. Now I am going to write the insert procedure for that student. So create procedure insert underscore student. I used to give procedure name like insert. So by naming itself, it is used to insert the data into student table. So inserting student means table name, like that. Okay, so here I am passing parameters like, see, this is the table and structure. Okay, I am taking all these names and put it here and give the @ before that each and every column. So that becomes parameters. Okay. So if you do like that, then whatever the parameters we are passing, same data type we will give according to the table columns in the table. I mean, see, if I write student and if I give some small int here, which is compared to the integer, it is small int is less. Okay, if I give varchar of 10, then it is less compared to the student name existing student table. Okay, so in order to avoid such kind of situation, better to observe the table name before giving the parameters to the procedure. So according to the column names of the table, please give the parameter names and data types. Then only you won't get any data types mismatch occurs and you don't get any data types sizes mismatch occurs. Okay, as begin end. Now if exist, I already discussed about this. If exist from student table and one where student number equal to parameter student number. That means if that parameter student number exist or put not exist, then only data should be accepted. Otherwise, you should give some message like that student name already exists or student number already exists. Okay. So here, if not exist means then only it should be inserted. So write insert query here, student, and here what are the column names? Take that column names, and how simple it is. I'm copying the column names, values, same column names I'm copying here, values. Before that I'm just giving at the rate so that it becomes variables, sorry, parameter names. Okay, so it will be inserted into student table, and here you can give top also so that one record only will be fetched. Top one, or else okay, it is not allowing. So here std name, std name, top one I am giving here, and then I am giving some one value. Okay, if data exists in the table, it will display one, otherwise it will not display one. So if you get confused, you can give like X or any alphabet, no issues. So just if any record exists or not, just knowing purpose only, I am giving here like that. So if you give column name also, that is your wish. Okay, then how can I know whether that particular data has been inserted into table or not? So for that purpose, I am giving just like success or uh, save success. So this is message. So message is keyword. We should not give keyword. Sometimes it will not acceptable. Okay. So description is also keyword. Okay. Just like give MSG. Okay. And same thing here, same key in column name I have to give in else block also. Otherwise, API people will face the problem. Okay, why? Because if you give two different columns in both if and else blocks, then they are not able to map that column names. Okay, they are not able to bind that column names. Okay, so here you can give student number already exist. Okay, so which student number already exist, so that student number also you can give at the rate student number and plus here. Okay, and if you want to give status code like for this 200 I'm giving sts some value, and here 400 giving st, yes. Okay, I'm giving two column names, insert. So now insert, sorry, so here what are the parameters? I'm giving one, and student name A, and age is 15. So I'm trying to insert 200 save success. That means here you can check that select star from student table. See, you can able to insert. If I insert again, if I execute that procedure again, see, conversion failed student number. Okay, so here student number is integer. Okay, here student number is integer and here it is string. Okay, I am trying to concatenation, so it will give error. So better to convert integer to varchar. Now, okay, give alter command. Now see, student number 1 already exists. If you give 2 and B 15 16, then you can have, so you can get this success message, then it will be inserted. So if you are trying to insert again, same error will come. Student number already exists. Okay, so this is the way to write insert procedure in real time. Okay, so and exception, we need to put exception handling and transactions also if required. So that concepts we'll discuss in later sessions. Okay, now this is used to insert the data into the table. Okay, so if that employee number does not exist, sorry, if that student number does not exist, if the student number exists, then it should give message like student particular student number already exists. Okay.